Today is a big day. We're taking both of our Stingray supercharged, world record supercharged C8 Corvette and our world's first twin turbo C8 Corvette in a track. We're in Texas Motorplex, our home track, 25 minutes away from the shop, and we're taking both cars and we're hoping to lay a number down on both cars. We're excited, we are elated, and I'm very, nervous, I guess you could say, on what these both will do. That car, we've found a lot of tuning solutions for the transmission to go A to B with it wheeling, so I'm excited for that to test. Obviously this one, nobody's done it, nobody's twin turboed an E-Ray, so it's uncharted territories. There's really no tuning available with other solutions, so that's why we're doing this first. We built this car in about 2 weeks and it just got done yesterday. We dynoed it today and we're in the track 8 hours later. I'm running on a lot of small amount of sleep and we're here till 2 a.m. today, but the whole crew is here and we're excited. I'm gonna stop talking, I'm gonna sit in the car, load a tune file and go A to B. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy this ride together. You guys are gonna get a lot of POV view from my inside camera, and Chris is on the other side, getting to show you guys the outside view of it, so you guys can see it both ways. Let's jump right into it. Thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe if you guys like what you guys see here. So anything you guys see in these cars, we do it at BoostDistrict.com. Supercharged, twin turbo, head scam, cosmetics, anything you guys want. Head to the site, give us a call. We have a good sales team. Email us, I'll answer to it myself. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so we're about to make our first pass with the E-Ray ever. We finished this car yesterday, tuned this morning, and today we're in the track. We made it, everything is good. Street tuning, dyno tuning all went well. Here we are about to prove ourselves with the world's first twin turbo E-Ray. So we got our laptop, we got our draggy. I got a call coming in. Let's see who it is. Hold on, let me put it on pause. Alright, left lane for the video, they said. So we'll do that. Turning the car on. Gotta get everything set up so we're ready. Seatbelt on the laptop on. Chris, I know you're watching all these clips. Don't cut this up. I like the candid. It'll be natural. It'll be good. So here we go. We'll see you guys on the start line.
E-Ray. E-Ray.
Twin turbo.
Twin turbo E-Ray.
Hey, look at the plate. Look at the plate. It's funny. Thank you, sir. 985 at 148. Auto start. Come on, who puts an auto start in a Corvette? But hey, it's cool that we have electric mode too, so that's good. We have the first 9-second E-Ray Corvette in the world. And it's simple. Stock cam, stock heads, stock ECU, no piggybacks. It works. I gotta get my helmet off here in a second. Ugh. Today's a good day. I think I need to lower my launch a little bit. I launch a little aggressive in that. We got work to do. We're learning together, but real good start. 988 at 148 is the very first 9-second E-Ray Corvette in the world. So ecstatic. A lot of words in my mind, but a lot of them I suspension changes. I got a little aggressive in my launch. I think I can lower it down, do a little better the tuning.
Thank you. As soon as he launches, you can roll up.
Okay, sir.
Now we're cooking. That felt good.
Good. I'm sure it was not fast because it was really hot. We were testing a lot in the staging lanes, but yeah, I'm glad. We're gonna cool it way down. We're gonna see our time right now. How's it going?
How you doing?
Good?
You boosted too?
Yes, there's two. Thank you. Oh my God! Thanks. 9.6 at 143. Damn! We just destroyed our quarter-mile time by 0.3 of a second. First pass. All right, I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna enjoy this for a second for myself. That's cool. That's really cool. This car never ceases to amaze me, but this has been really a challenge for us to go real fast in a quarter mile in a long 2 years almost, and we just obliterated our previous record. I told myself I'd be happy with a 9.7, 9.8 today, but first pass out really hot. It was at 9.6 at 143.74. So let's cool the E-Ray down now, and let's see if we can lay a number down in that one. So I'm gonna pause it right here. We're gonna jump on the second car. So what should we do? Should we call this the OG and call the other one the E-Ray? I think I want to do that. So I'm gonna pause right here and savor this moment. Savor this moment. But we savored it together, right? Since we're vlogging together here. So all right. Damn! Damn! Dude, we just obliterated our record. 9.6 at 144. 9.6 at 144. Yeah.
I said what, a 9.8? I said 9.8.
I told myself I'd be happy with a 9.8 leaving here with this.
That's good.
Thanks. Did you get that? Damn! We just got a record. Again. The car was really hot, but I went ahead and tested it anyway so we can just gather data. At 125, 130 degree IAT, we ran a 9.6 at 143.74. Take a look at that, Christian. That's moving. We're gonna cool the car down. We're gonna ice it down for the next pass. We have really good data, no changes to make. I'm happy with it. We're not aggressive. This is the same stage 2 that we sell with that 1,000 horsepower package. So yeah, it's proven, right? Everything that we do is proven now. So this is really cool. Anyways, we're gonna jump back to the E-Ray. We named this the OG, and that's the E-Ray, so it's just easy to distinguish. So we're gonna make one more pass on this car, one more pass on the Stingray, and we'll see what we got, and hopefully we can make some more. Hopefully we can lay some time down. So let's get to it right here. Alright guys, it's 12:49 in the morning. They just finished cleaning the track up. Somebody spilled some fluids. DJ prepped it real good. I'm gonna try to be real conservative on the launch here. I'm gonna fix the settings right now, and we'll give it a whirl. We're logging. Gotta make sure I got cross all my T's and dot all my I's, right? They say. Here we go. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Yep, spun. 178 on the 60 foot, spun all 4 tires. Last pass for the day, 2 in the morning. Rolling out. Curious to see what it ran. I stayed on the launch control a little longer in that one to build the boost up on the launch. Let's see what she did. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Thank you. Oh, fudge. 974, 153. Oh my God. Think about this for a second, guys. 153 miles per hour in a quarter mile. And this is a stock cam, stock head, turbo only, right? Turbo and a fuel system. That's wicked. Tuning is a big part of it. Christian is the man. With our parts, an ETS kit, and Christian's tuning. We got a great family, a great combo, and we're rolling out. This is, I don't have words right now, so I'm gonna savor this moment. I keep saying that because we keep going faster. But this is awesome. Texas Motorplex is a great place to go racing, by the way. I wasn't really big into racing when I was in California because it was a task. It was a pain to drive 3.5 hours away and be in 100-degree weather, and it sucked. But over here, we're 25 minutes away from our home, and the temperature is awesome. The people are great. The people welcome you like family. What else can you ask for? It's just the perfect setting. So I'm gonna overlay this over here to show you guys the time slip, but it's 1.78 60 foot, which is not great, but it's a start. We're still in the stock wheels and tires. Just remember that. Stock suspension, stock wheels and tires, stock brakes, stock cam, stock heads. Literally just, you know, minor work on the fuel system and the blower. So we're gonna call it a night. I'm loading it up in the trailer. Let me turn it around. We're loading it up as we speak. 2:15 in the morning, and we're done. Well guys, it was a successful track day. We're tired, but we accomplished our goals. We came and took it. So we are coming home with the fastest supercharged C8 Corvette. We reset our record, and we're going home with the fastest twin turbo, or with the fastest E-Ray Corvette, twin turbo in here. Both available at BoostDistrict, obviously. We accomplished our goals, and we're very happy with it. We came here, didn't break anything. Both cars are driving really good and I'm really happy with them. We have big plans for both cars still. They're still gonna go much quicker. Anyways, subscribe to the channel. We have lots of content coming up. We have Beto's on the gas white truck that we're building for him. We have both cars still going back out on the track. And we also have a surprise for our Chevy SS sedan where we did something really cool to it, radical, and the first also to ever do it. And we want to share it in the next couple of videos. So we're gonna go pick it up and excited to share that with you guys. So I'm gonna wrap it up right here. I'm gonna stop talking. Enjoy the video, enjoy the content, like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.